Uncover the myriad health benefits of ginger as we delve into 10 compelling reasons to make this versatile spice a daily addition to your diet. 1. Anti-inflammatory power. Ginger's bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, act as potent anti-inflammatory agents. They can help reduce inflammation, making it beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a central role in joint pain and discomfort. 2. Nausea soother. The anti-nausea effects of ginger are well documented and versatile. Whether combating motion sickness during travel, alleviating pregnancy-related nausea, or providing relief for individuals undergoing chemotherapy-induced nausea, ginger's natural properties make it a reliable and effective remedy. 3. Digestive harmony. Ginger's role as a digestive aid is multifaceted. It aids in breaking down food, facilitating smoother digestion, and helps expel gas, providing relief from indigestion and reducing bloating. This digestive support contributes to overall gastrointestinal comfort. 4. Immune fortification. Ginger's high antioxidant content contributes to immune system fortification. By neutralizing free radicals, ginger may play a role in preventing oxidative stress, supporting the body's defenses against a variety of illnesses and infections. 5. Pain alleviator. Beyond its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger may directly alleviate pain, particularly muscle pain and soreness. This quality is valuable for athletes seeking natural pain relief and individuals managing chronic pain conditions. 6. Heart health support. Emerging studies suggest that regular consumption of ginger may contribute to cardiovascular health. It may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, both crucial factors in maintaining heart well-being. 7. Natural antibacterial agent. Ginger's natural antibacterial properties make it a valuable ally in combating infections. By inhibiting the growth of certain bacteria, ginger supports overall health and may play a role in preventing various infectious diseases. 8. Menstrual comfort. Ginger is often used to alleviate menstrual cramps, offering a natural alternative to conventional pain relief. Its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties can bring comfort during menstruation. 9. Weight management aid. Research indicates that ginger may contribute to weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing hunger. While more studies are needed, preliminary findings suggest ginger could be a helpful addition to weight loss efforts. 10. Potential cancer fighter. Some studies propose that ginger exhibits anti-cancer properties, showing potential in inhibiting the growth of specific cancer cells. However, this area requires more in-depth research to validate and comprehend the extent of ginger's anti-cancer potential. In general, ginger is considered safe for most people and can be consumed at various times. However, there are a few considerations. 1. Empty stomach. Eating ginger on an empty stomach may cause mild digestive discomfort in some individuals. It's often recommended to consume it with food to minimize any potential irritation. 2. Before bed. For those sensitive to spicy or pungent flavors, consuming ginger close to bedtime might cause mild indigestion for some individuals. If you have a history of acid reflux or heartburn, it's advisable to be cautious with ginger intake before bedtime. 3. Medical considerations. If you have specific health conditions, are taking medications, or are pregnant, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Ginger may interact with certain medications or have contraindications in some medical situations. While ginger is generally safe and associated with numerous health benefits, individual responses may vary. If you're uncertain or have specific health concerns, seek advice from a healthcare provider. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more content.